years ago, 7 years ago. Then, I stole a tea bag. Do you know this story? No, okay. I tell you, just keep it to yourselves. Between you and me, secret. So what happened in South Africa, last day from Durban, I was going. We were all packing and leaving. Just before packing, there was still some time. From my room, I rushed into the next room. Usually I don't go into anybody's room. This was room where our other teachers, boys, they were all there. So I rushed into their room and I was looking here and there like this. So one of our teacher who was there was lying down or doing something. He just woke up and said, "Oh, Guruji, what do you want? What do you want?" I said, nothing. I just looked on the table and there was a tea bag. I just took it and went into my room. Whole tea bag, So this teacher of ours, Art of Living teacher, he had known me past so many years, 10 years. He was a little puzzled. Said, "Why did Guruji rush into my room?" And then he looked here and there and just took a tea bag. I asked him also, "Whom does this belong to?" He said, "I don't know." But then I took it and went. He said, "First of all, Guruji never drinks tea. He knows that I don't drink tea." But then I took this tea bag, knowing that it belongs to somebody or belongs to nobody. I took the bag and went into my room. I packed it into my suit. I packed it in my bag. So he was a little puzzled. But he didn't tell anybody. He didn't know. He said, "I don't know what is there." And when we reached Johannesburg in the airport, there a gentleman came, an elderly gentleman in his 60s or 70s, he must be in 70s. He comes and with tears in his eyes, was so full of gratitude, gratefulness. Says, "Guruji, did you get the tea bag I had sent with somebody?" See, this man went to a shop. It was some special kind of tea. So he bought the tea bag and gave it to one of our teachers to give it to me. So please take this gift to Guruji. I brought it with all my heart. I want to give this to Guruji. Please take it. So this to whom he had given had forgotten. He had forgotten, and he knew that it was so many people were there, 3,000-4,000 people were there, and in all this crowd, and so busy, so busy. He forgot to give me that tea bag of that one man who gave him in the airport in Johannesburg. See, and because also perhaps he might have thought Guruji never drinks tea. What is the point in taking it to Guruji? But see, that his feeling with so much love and gratitude, he brought that bag, and that made me go into his room, steal that, put it in my bag, and came. And the person who was in the room, the other teacher, he was with me in the airport. He started laughing. He said, "Yes, no, Guruji didn't get it. He stole that bag." I was restless till I could take that bag. I was packed and was going up and down here and there. I moved into that room. I didn't know why I was looking around. So till I could steal that bag, I was not comfortable. Because that was brought to me with so much love, so much feeling of that one old gentleman. That's why I said the feelings is what matters. Not the actions, not the words. So you take it for granted that there is love in everybody.